If you have ever looked into video production, you know that it can be very expensive, costing thousands of dollars. Even getting your logo animated can be very costly. Well, the Social Gloo is making video production affordable. We produce logo animations like you're seeing now. For a fraction of the cost, high-quality, high-energy logo animation that will grab your client or prospective client's attention, please continue to watch and you will discover how the Social Gloo is making video animation and production both attainable and affordable for your business. What you are watching is just a small sample of our designs. We have dozens of animation designs that are ready to be customized with your logo and brand colors. Along with your animated logos, we can create opening and closing title pages for your videos. We have a nice variety of professional opening and closing scenes to choose from. The Social Gloo also creates employee spotlights to share the personal side of your business. We also create customer testimonial videos that present you and your business as experts. You have a story to tell. Let us help you tell it with a dynamic and eye-catching whiteboard video. These videos stand out and can help separate you from your competition. Finally, add a video spokesperson to your website. We have a variety of 2D and 3D video characters to choose from. We also have professional male and female models that can be used for your video, if you like. You can even use your own company spokesperson in the video. When it comes to producing affordable and professional-looking logos, video, testimonials, whiteboard videos, or a video spokesperson for your website, please contact the Social Gloo. Call 678-358-3680.